we want to integrate 4 over x minus 1 x plus 1 with respect to x. The function inside the integral, the 4 over x minus 1 x plus 1, can be expressed in partial fractions. We can see that we only have linear factors, and therefore we can express this in the form a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 1. Clearing the fractions by multiplying right through by this denominator, the left-hand side gives us just 4. If we multiply this term by this denominator, the x minus 1's will cancel, giving us a times x plus 1, and multiplying this term by this denominator, the x plus 1's will cancel, leaving us with b times x minus 1. If we now let x be equal to 1, that makes this term disappear, since 1 minus 1 is 0. The left-hand side is still 4, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so we have 2a, giving us that a is equal to 2. Setting x equal to minus 1 now, that makes this term disappear. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. This side is still 4. And minus 1 take 1 is minus 2. So we have minus 2b. This tells us that b is equal to minus 2. We can now take these values and substitute into here, giving us the partial fractions 2 over x minus 1, take away 2 over x plus 1. Returning to the integral, we can rewrite the integral as the integral of 2 over x minus 1, take away 2 over x plus 1. If we consider these, we know that if we integrate 1 over x, we get log x. So both of these are going to be logs. We'll have 2 log x minus 1. The differential of the inside function here is just 1, so we divide by 1, which leaves it the same. With the next term, integrating gives us 2 log x plus 1, and once again the differential of the inside function is just 1. We can now simplify. We have 2 log x minus 1 over x plus 1 plus a constant. Of course, there are other ways of simplifying this expression.